Let's do some chicken livers. Yeah, baby. The dogs agree. That's what I'm making them for. Now I got a pint of chicken livers. I dumped the water out of them, dried them out, rinsed them, and I had some flour left in the bottom of this after I'm frying chicken. But I don't believe it was enough. They don't want no seasoning. Dogs don't like seasoning, so I ain't worried about putting no seasoning. Dogs like chicken liver. So, put these two last pieces out. Get them shits made. My 2 pieces. Last pieces of chicken. Put them out right now. Yeah. Yeah. See that? We got chicken. We got beer. We got chicken liver for the puppy dogs. Yeah. That is coat up the chicken liver. Look at that. Put a nice. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put a nice coating of flour on. I already got this grease cooking. Yeah, man. Look at me. Look at my camera go. Alright. I ain't gonna dump them all in there at one. I just put them maybe 1 or 2. I don't want to tear them all up. I mean, they don't take long to cook once they float, and they did. I'm gonna dump them all in there at once though. You just put in a few at a time. Grease is nice and hot. I've been cooking Sunday supper. This is not for human consumption. I'm not cooking anything for anybody. Okay? I'm not cooking this for anybody. For the puppy dogs. So I'm gonna do it in real time. It don't take that long. Just want to brown them up. Yeah. Let me sit there and brown up the buddy back when I was driving trucks back through North Carolina. Let me tell you something. Dang, some speakers just decided to come on all by its own. Dang. What? Yeah, that just came on by itself. That thing got a damn spirit in it, I believe. Let's see here. When they floating, they did. I might have put too many in there. I want them sitting in there and rock and roll till they float. Now I ain't gonna give them all this chicken livers at once. What I'm gonna do is every time I feed them, I chop up a little bit of this and add it in to their food. And I've heard that there was this one guy that was everybody thinks he's a real good person about dog health, and he said dogs don't get enough organ meat. They're getting all this dog food from China and everywhere else, and it doesn't have any of the real nutrients that dogs need. So we've got to feed them some organ meat. So it only costs about $1.50 for a pint of chicken gizzard. I already got the grease hot. My Lord. Don't overcook them. I'm sure that's good enough for them. Let that cool off. Look at that. I am positive that is good enough right there. I'm going to put that back in the same container that I got it from. Give them little by little all week. I cooked them some last week. I didn't even put no breading on them. I just cooked them without, bareback. I just bare naked, and it come out real good. They love that too. So if they don't like this like it is here, then I'll just go back and just frying them up some without putting nothing on. But I just had that batter already there. Why waste it? If they don't like it, they don't like it. If they like it, shit. That's good, all good. The quick as all this cools down and everything, and everything is cooked all nice. Let's see what one of them looks like. A little bit loosey-goosey, but I'm sure they'll tighten up in a minute when they cool off. That's what it looks like. I guarantee you, any dog in this planet right here. Chow down on that. And thank you's in heaven. Later, guys. Love y'all. Mean it. Cut.